Hi guys, Dondi will draw clouds. This is clouds. Another clouds. This is clouds. We will make a rainbow, Dondi. Next color. Brown. We will draw a rainbow. Next.
This black.
Okay.
This
Then they will make rainbow. Next.
blue.
Blue. Then they will make rainbow.
Purple.
Purple. Then they will make rainbow.
This one, but it's red.
Red. This is red rainbow.
It's a red.
Color red.
It's a orange.
Color orange. You show them your rainbow, Dondi. This is my rainbow art. Coloring the rainbow.